we've got if 8 to the 3x times 4 to the 5y is equal to 64, write y in terms of x. Okay, so writing it out, what we need to notice straight away is that 8, 4 and 64 are all powers of 2. So we need to rate these all as powers of 2. So we're going to write 8 as 2 cubed. Then that's also raised to the power of 3x. 4 is 2 squared, which is raised to the power of 5y, and 64 is 2 to the power of 6. Right, there's a rule of indices that says that we've got a to the m times n is equal to the a mn, so we're just going to multiply out the powers. So we're going to have 2 to the 9x times 2 to the 10y is equal to 2 to the 6. And now there's a rule of indices that says if you've got the same base here, you just add the powers. So a to the m times a to the n is a to the m plus n. So this now becomes 2 to the 9x plus 10y is equal to 2 to the 6. Now we have the same base, say 2. And if we have the same base, then the powers have to be equal for the thing to be actually equal to each other. So we can say that 9x plus 10y must be equal to 6. And then we can forget about the 2. And we want to write y in terms of x. So we're going to make y the subject. So subtracting 9x, we've got 10y is equal to 6 minus 9x. And then dividing by 10, we're going to get that y is 6 minus 9x over 10. So this has been a video to show you use the rules of indices, writing the powers in as terms of writing y in terms of x. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.